Welcome to the highlights of the No Fire Cooking Competition at Sacred Heart Convent School, where creativity met culinary skills. Our talented students showcased their flair for innovative and healthy recipes, preparing delightful dishes without the use of fire. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation and vibrant energy throughout. Towards the end, selected students had the privilege of interacting with our esteemed principal, Sister Maria MJ, sharing their experiences and receiving her encouraging words. The video concludes with joyful moments captured in photographs with Sister Maria MJ, marking a memorable day for all.